Today I am going to teach you how to make homemade elderberry syrup in your very own kitchen. All of the instructions are on the back of this kit, and we are going to get started and create something amazing. What I've done is taken my filtered water and I've filled this with 3 cups of water. So now I'm going to add the 3 cups of water to my pan. If you add your ingredients to your water and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator, you will give yourself a 2-part extraction process, which means you're going to be making an infusion first and then you're going to do a decoction. So let's get this open. Cinnamon stick. And in goes our ingredients. What's going to happen now is we're going to bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to reduce it to a bare simmer until the liquid is reduced by 2/3. So we started with 3 cups of water, and you're going to reduce that 3 cups of water down until you get 1 cup of liquid. Now that we've reduced our liquid down to 1 cup, what I'm going to do is filter that off. And the easiest way for you to do that is to use a mesh strainer like this. So I'm going to pour this liquid out into the mesh strainer, and then I'm going to press my berries through the strainer to get all of the juice and the liquid out. Okay, you ready? It smells so good in here. I love the smell. We are going to add our 1 cup of honey into our mason jar and then incorporate our 1 cup of the elderberry liquid. So what's so great about elderberries? Why is everybody on the elderberry train, and what can elderberries do for you? Elderberries are a fantastic little purple berry, and the scientific name is Sambucus nigra because the berries are almost black. It's that dark purple color that is high in a specific polyphenol called anthocyanins. These little gems protect your cell walls from damage so that when a virus comes into your body and tries to attach to your cell and replicate, that protective layer breaks the legs off of viruses. So consequently, elderberry shortens the duration and severity of common attacks. Elderberry is one of those things that tastes like dessert, but it's actually health food, so you do not have to feel guilty about indulging whatsoever. Okay, now I've added my 1 cup of honey to my jar, and I'm going to add my 1 cup of liquid. And the way that I like to incorporate this is just by shaking it up. As long as your liquid is hot enough, you're going to be just fine. Now this is a clean jar that I just sterilized. I pulled it out of my dishwasher. Tight lid, give it a shake. And this will stay mixed up like this once you get it all the way mixed. Yeah, this looks really good. You do need to keep it in the refrigerator. Okay, so I am gonna make this for my friend Allison. Allison is home right now and she's taking care of her mom, and I am gonna drop this off on her front porch on my way home from work today. So let's see, made for Allison by Andrea. Okay, here's my sticker. I'm gonna put the date on here so that we know to use it within 3 months. And that's it. That's everything you need in order to make homemade elderberry syrup. I hope you guys try this. Please let me know if you enjoy it or if you have any questions. This is a fantastic way to get the kids involved into creating their own remedies and making something in your very own kitchen that's going to benefit the health of everyone in your family. I'm delighted to bring this opportunity and this remedy to you guys, and I cannot wait to hear what you think about it. Take good care, and we'll talk soon.